Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super helpful video today guys for any of you having a BMW i8. If you want to see how to replace windshield wipers, by the way guys, do not spend hundreds of dollars on new wipers. You can fix them for less than $3. Stay with us, we'll explain how guys in this video today, and we'll explain where you can get the supplies for that as well. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We guys show you how to fix pretty much anything. Engines, transmissions, bodyworks, engine codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that? Because our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So now guys, how you replace wipers on BMW i8. Now, if you just replace the wiper itself, it's super easy and efficient. We'll put the information in the description of the video below where you can buy replacement wipers at a really good price. But all you have to do, watch now, it locks right here. So turn it like this and slide it out. Now, number one mistake people make, if you drop that thing, all of a sudden you drop it like that, you're gonna break your window immediately guys. Now, we're going to do the same thing on this wiper here. This is for the passenger side, right? Okay, you do like that. And it comes out, guys. Now, we're going to gently let them down because if you keep them up and they pop down, you're gonna break them. Now, guys, you can buy replacement wipers at a really good price, or you can, guys, go ahead and rebuild them and save even more money. So, we're going to explain about that now. How you can easily do that. The wipers itself, if you buy them online, they're not expensive at all. But if you go to a store, physical store, you may spend even hundreds of dollars on those wipers. We're going to put a towel under the thing so we don't scratch the window. And now we'll show you guys how we can easily rebuild them. So guys, okay, most people will go to the dealership or a physical store and get wipers, and that can cost you hundreds of dollars. Or you can get the refills that you cut them yourself, which are super high quality. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below and change it yourself. That's what we'll be doing now. Let us show you how easy it is and how much money you can save in less than 5 minutes. So guys, right here now, these wipers, okay, this is the longest one, that's on the driver's side. So we're going to go ahead, okay, and open that wiper. And in order to open it, guys, okay, we're going to get here the toothpick, okay, and those are a little bit tricky sometimes, but with a small screwdriver, okay, you can pry them loose. I'll show you a little bit. It has two teeth here underneath, okay, that tend to pop out. Okay, let me just start it on one side. Once you pop it loose on one side, okay, it comes off pretty easily after that. Now this one is going. Let me do that side now. Okay, let me grab the screwdriver so I can pry on it a little bit and we'll continue. So, with a small screwdriver or the toothpick, guys, I pried up, okay, a little bit on each side. And then just go a little bit. Careful not to break your cap. Okay, it's tight fit. Okay, but it came off. You see there is two teeth on the top right here that we're holding. Okay, but we were able to get them out. So if you go here in an angle, you will be able to get them easy. Some of them are different designs. Now, that's one of the hardest wipers because it's super long. But, okay, on this side, it's a little bit tight, okay, right here, so we might have actually went the other way. So let me put that cap. Sometimes you have to take them certain way, where exactly it's pinched. So if we go on this side now, we can attempt, okay, to do that too. So let me now lift it up a little bit here. And let me get one more screwdriver, okay, and see if I can easily, since we saw where the teeth are, pry on it. Okay, looks like one side came loose. Okay, one side came loose. Now the other one as well. Perfect. Now here is where it's tight. Okay, you can see that metal thing. Here you might need to bend it. Those are original wipers. They're super good quality. Or used to be. They lasted a long time. We're going to bend that tooth, pull the blade out. Now careful for the thing not to fall apart. Don't jiggle it too much. You can put it together if you need to, but I'm going to get a new blade. Okay. One of the new blades here, guys, and we need to cut the exact same length. So we're going to come this way. Okay, and we'll get the scissors. Okay, let me grab the scissors quick. Okay, and we just cut it. Okay, perfect. Now we come back. Okay, we come back to the wiper. We get the new blade and we start feeding it in the canals. Okay, the bottom canal. Check this thing out. So you need to hold it. You might need to put a little bit of water on it if it doesn't want to go, because it might be too dry and it might have quite a bit of friction, guys. But eventually it gets there. Okay, so we're gonna come to here. We need to make sure that we don't have any wrinkles, anything like that. Now we're going to get that tooth and we're going to press it in again, that one on top, so it doesn't move. And guys, check this thing out. The wiper, okay, is ready to be rebuilt. It's ready. Now we can go ahead and install it on the driver's side super easily. Check this thing out. We just saved ourselves over $100, guys. Okay, when you get new replacement wipers, all you have to do, go in an angle, about 90-degree angle, turn it around, you're ready to go. So we're going to do the exact same thing, okay, with the passenger side. So let's see. Now we know how to open those because some of them will differ, but knowing how to open them, okay, everything should go. Let me see where, okay, exactly the tooth is. It's on this side. So we go here a little bit up and we're gonna come on this side with the screwdriver. Okay, and we're going to try, okay, to pry it here. So still quite stuck. Okay, but it's coming out. Check out, no damage of any kind. So we have to do, pull that. Once you do it one time, the second one goes quite easy. Okay, I dropped the thing. That tooth here, okay, let me grab the little tool. We need to bend it again, like that. Okay, wiper comes off. We're going to get, guys, new blade and our scissors quick. We're going to measure one more time. Let's measure now. It needs to be exact same length. Sometimes you may even go like half an inch longer depending on the situation, if you want more coverage. Okay, let me see now here. Okay, right there. Perfect. Now, what do we guys need to do? Get the new one and slide it in the canal. This one should be easy because it's a short wiper. The other one is extremely long, one of the longest one that I've ever repaired myself. Watch how easy that is now. And here, we're ready to push it in. Okay. Okay, here, okay, the tooth, I forgot to bend the tooth down. that holds the wiper in place so it doesn't move, the blade. And now let me just align everything. Just install it there. Perfect. Click. Let's go ahead. Hold the blade good. And now go ahead and install it, guys. That's okay how we saved ourselves right now $100 and something. So guys, you can see wipers are replaced. If you're just replacing them with new ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. It's super easy. If you want to rebuild them, we'll share the parts in the description of the video below for any of you looking for that as well. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.